Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off vibration in Candy Crush Saga. First of all, open up the Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Once you get to the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the gear button, which will be appearing at the bottom left corner or at the top right corner if you are inside the map page. I'm just going to select the gear button from the bottom left menu. Once you tap on it, you will see the settings option. Within the settings menu, look for the option that looks like a vibration icon, this one over here. If you tap on it and if it is crossed with a red line, it means that you have turned off the vibration for your game. If you ever want to toggle it on and turn on the vibration, you can simply tap on it and make sure that the icon is not crossed with the red line. So that's how you will be able to turn off and on the vibration setting inside your Candy Crush Saga game. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.